No, I definitely can't do it on Monday. I'm going on a trip with Jökull. Jökull, that's my husband. Yeah, just tell Bjössi to take the day off on Thursday. And I come back on Wednesday. I don't know, you just figure it out.
Fannar, aren't you fucking kidding me? Are you sleeping? Again? It's the second time this week.
I know, but
You're a piece of shit.
I can make
You're fired. It's the last day. Go pack your stuff.
Honey, where's the potatoes I asked you to buy?
You didn't ask me to buy any damn potatoes.
Yes, I did. Just look at the ticket.
I'm sorry, my love. Guess I won't be any granny tonight.
Can't you go to the store?
Oh, I'm sorry. It closes in 15 minutes and I can't get the pig to start.
Shouldn't we just boil the hot dog since we can't have granny with a lamb leg?
Yeah, I think so. God damn it. Kristbjörg, come into the living room.
What?
How long has it been since the old gang came to visit?
Who? Jónatan Bergur?
No, I'm talking about Fannar, Jökull and Björgvin.
Isn't it about time you invite your parents to dinner again?
No, I don't have time for that.
But you have time for the other jackasses who have nothing going for them.
What? These are nice boys.
Can we talk about them? Fannar hasn't been able to keep his job more than 2 weeks in the last 8 years. Until he went back to Rusty. Björgvin has cheated on Jökull 3 times and Jökull beat Björgvin in the first 2 years after they got engaged.
Why are you all so negative? These are nice boys and I want to invite them to dinner as soon as possible.
Well, okay. Or is the same bullshit?
Honey,
Yes, darling.
can you come here? Arnar is inviting us to dinner on Saturday. I think we should go. It's been such a long time since we met him.
Arnar? Not a chance in hell.
What?
You set the cottage on fire in the election party.
That was Arnar Gunnar. I'm talking about Arnar Bjarki.
Oh, Arnar Bjarki. Is he still alive?
What do you mean?
I just haven't heard anything from him since we graduated from FSU. At the party.
What party with Gísli or Halldór?
The party.
Oh, that party. Now that you say that, I don't think I have heard anything from him since he walked in on us on the swing.
The swing? What swing? I don't remember anything from that night because of Haldor's moonshine.
Come on. You remember the leather swing with the chains and the electric shock device?
Yeah, the purple one.
No, the purple one was in the bungalow. I'm talking about the neon pink one.
Yeah, with the dragon in front of.
No, the one with the dragon was in the caravan. I'm talking about the one with the panda bear.
Yeah, of course. But don't we need a boat to take with us to Arnar?
Oh, so you want to go?
Yeah, of course. It's been so long since I met him.
Amazing. I'll let him know and I'll go find the bottle.
Arnar just invited me for dinner on Saturday. Oh, Gunnar Nelson is fighting. No, he's retired. But I have to vacuum the floors. No, I never vacuum. Arnar Gunnar, he burned that cot. Oh, Arnar Bjarki is inviting me for dinner. Arnar Gunnar. Well, I need to take a shower. I haven't taken a shower in what? No, it doesn't matter really. Doesn't really matter. I just go.
It's good to be going back to Arnar. I'm starting to miss the old times when we were always together, you know, the boys.
Yeah, you know what? Me too.
What the fuck? Does Arnar live here? What fucking goo is it on the floor? Is it from the horses? No, those are sheeps. No, what the fuck? Where is Jökull? Where the fuck did he go?
What's up, Björgvin?
Hey, what's up? Where's Jökull? And why are you 2 hours early? I don't know where Jökull is. Didn't you say 16?
No, I said 6 p.m. But since you're here so early, let's go do some work.
Abbe!
What?
Can I go out for a cigarette?
Yes, but be quick.
Ça se passe, j'ai sur mon lit à bouffer ça. Whisky quant à moi peut débris, mais j'ai du dormi dans la bouche. Où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi.
What's up? Hello! How you been doing?
I've been doing great, you know. I have
great to hear.
I got a promotion in my new job and I bought a new house.
Oh shit!
Yes. Are you going to meet Arnar, Bjarki?
Yeah, I'm going to Arnar.
Yes.
Jölli is with me.
He invited me for dinner, you know.
Yeah, me and Jölli, we're married.
Yeah, great. That's awesome. I always remembered you were acting kind of suspicious at the party, you know.
Hey, Kristbjörg.
Hey, Kristbjörg.
Hey, Kristbjörg.
Kristbjörg, come and give me a kiss.
It's so nice to see you all again.
Ah, very nice to see you too.
Yes, very nice.
And you too. Yes, you too.
How are you doing?
I'm great. I have a job promotion.
Really?
Yes.
Amazing.
Where do you work?
At some lawyer company. I don't remember its name.
Ah, very nice, very nice.
And where do you live?
I live in Garðabær with all the rich people in the rich neighborhood because I am indeed very rich.
Do you have a nice car?
Yes, I drive a Porsche, which I used to drive around.
Yes, very nice, very nice.
Yeah, I know, it's very nice.
Very good, very good.
I remember when Halldór drove into the lake and Gísli thought it was his car.
I'll take it.
I miss Halldór.
What's happening with him?
Brynhildur, very nice to meet you. Hello.
Hey Arnar!
Hey,
So long since we last met.
Yes.
Did you invite Funner? Why the fuck did you do that?
Well, after we got together.
No, we broke up 6 years ago when he gambled my wedding ring.
I had to pay for our horse.
Our horse? Our horse? I didn't want nothing to do with that horse. And we lived in a fucking apartment building.
Oh, and you're just gonna leave because I'm here, huh?
No, of course not. Kristbjörg invited me to dinner.
Where in the living fuck is Kristbjörg? Hey, there's smoking in this house. Kristbjörg is taking fucking shit.
Dinner's ready, come! So what have you guys been doing?
Yeah, I just opened my brand new record label and I'm a manager. It's an old star, Pretty Bajocco.
I'm so proud of him.
And Jörli, he's a doctor.
I don't like to talk about myself, but I'm a doctor.
Yeah, so I just got a new promotion at the law firm that I work at. It's pretty amazing because now I make like really much money. I'm so rich. I'm just probably the richest person in Iceland. And I bought a new house and a new car, a Porsche. It's awesome.
I saw you get fired from Rusty like literally a week ago, and you drove that rusty ass Subaru straight to your parents' house.
No, you're lying! I was having dinner with them.
So you've been eating at your parents' house for 6 years, since the day we broke up.
Did you lie to us? This is a Christian house. You do not lie in this house.
Yes, I lied to you. I lost everything. I lost my wedding ring, I lost my parents, I lost my horse, and I lost Brynhildur. I loved her, and I still love her.
It's raining cats and dogs in here. We just do this some other time. Yeah.
Yes, I think we should go. But thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you very much.
It was
We gotta meet
amazing
up
to meet you.
sometime.
Yeah. Bye-bye. That did not go as planned. I'm gonna throw some cinnamon rolls in the oven and I'll come back to you.
Fannar, is everything okay?
No, I'm not okay. I think about that moment every single day. I just feel like I'm missing the other half of me. I think about that day for 6 years. I just wish I could go back and change things. Is there any chance we could be something again?
Yes, there is.
You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home low. Just when things got right.
Doesn't mean they were always wrong.
Just take this song and you'll never feel left all alone.
Take me to your heart, throw me in your bones. Just one more night, and I'm coming off this
Along and winding road, I'm on my way. Well, I'm on my way home, sweet home. Tonight, I'm on my way. Just set me free, home, sweet home. You know that I see to make romantic dreams, broken lights falling off the silver screen. My heart's like an open book for the whole world to read. Sometimes nothing keeps me together at the seams. When I'm on my way.
Hello! How are you?
No, I definitely can't do it on Monday. We're going on a trip with Jökull. Jökull, That's my boyfriend. The day off on Thursday. I call. Holy!
Just when things go right.
Byrja.